Favourite for the race now. They're off and racing. Shebangabang jump well, so did Exceed and Excite, and they are both sooled desperately to try and find the lead. Exceed and Excite has it, but the turn's coming up. Shebangabang 3/4 away with the fence, and they've put 3 to 4 lengths. Dashing Miss, Friday Frenzy up fourth on the outside as they came up the side. Shebangabang retained the fence about a next second. Further back in the field, Repeatment beaten for early speed there in company with Paparazzi Princess and Amontillato's last. So Exceed and Excite sitting outside Shebangabang. They've certainly carved one another up, and they're 4 lengths. Dashing Miss, Friday Frenzy, Repeatment running on from Amontillato and Paparazzi Princess last, struggling on the turn. Exceed and Excite a neck in front. Shebangabang rails under the whip, got to the front now. Is there anything going to run them down? Shebangabang led by a length and a half. Exceed and Excite. Dashing Miss followed by Amontillado, but Shebangabang is going strongly enough, works both ends and wins it well. There's one for Froggy. Shebangabang by 3. Amontillado got up on the fence to get second from Dashing Miss, and then Exceed and Excite. A break Friday Frenzy, and then Repeatment at the end with Paparazzi Princess, another poor one.